What if I told you, the perfect bathtub in 2025 costs less than your phone? We tested the top 5 models, from deep-soaking Japanese designs to smart hydrotherapy tubs, and one underdog beat the luxury brands. Want to know which one? Stick around, because the winner will shock you. Plus, all purchase links are waiting in the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Woodbridge 55-inch acrylic freestanding bathtub. The sleek form of this freestanding tub from Woodbridge adds a stunning focal point to modern interiors. An oval-shaped design and curved sidewalls create the artful minimalist look that is ideal for newly renovated spaces. The 55-gallon tub is 55 inches long by 31.75 inches wide by 23 inches tall, allowing an adult to enjoy a relaxing soak without feeling cramped. It features an overflow and a drain, with multiple finishes available for the polished metal fixtures. Woodbridge utilizes a fiberglass-reinforced acrylic with a non-slip bottom, creating a robust and smooth surface for easy cleaning. This sturdy acrylic tub can handle up to 1,000 pounds. Number 2. Kingston Brass Aqua Eden 60-inch Alcove Bathtub. Replacing a dated Alcove tub with a modern one doesn't have to cost a fortune. The Aqua Eden 60-inch bathtub from Kingston Brass proves it, with all the style of an updated model at an affordable price point. Volume can often be an issue with Alcove tubs, but that's not the case with this model from Kingston Brass. It is 60 inches long by 30.688 inches wide by 22.063 inches tall, providing an overall capacity of up to 58.2 gallons. This tub features acrylic over fiberglass construction, with an integrated flange for tile or a surround. It comes pre-drilled for an overflow and drain, available separately, with left and right-hand drain options. Number 3. Impava 53-inch freestanding walk-in soaking bathtub. When slips and falls are an ongoing concern, this walk-in tub can enhance safety and comfort all at once. The 94-gallon bathtub provides the space to bathe leisurely without having to step over a tub wall. It has an integrated seat that allows the average adult to sit in water comfortably up to their shoulders, creating a relaxing feel for extended baths. The extra-wide door creates a waterproof seal when closed using the long, easily grasped handle. This tub is 52.5 inches long by 26.5 inches wide by 40 inches tall. It comes with faucet trim and drain hardware, and it fits in a standard tub alcove, making short work of installation. Number 4. Empava 72-inch 2-person Hydromassage Tub. Those looking for a tub with space for 2 may want to give Empava's acrylic whirlpool bathtub some consideration. This tub is 72 inches long by 48 inches wide and holds 177 gallons of water, providing plenty of room and volume for 2 people to hang out and relax. This Empava tub features 10 water jets, including 4 in the lumbar region of the back, 2 on each side, and 2 by the feet. Powering those jets is a 1.2 horsepower water pump. The Impava also comes with the fixtures required, making this tub an all-in-one purchase. There are 2 built-in water-resistant pillows for leaning back and relaxing. Number 5. Fine Fixtures 48 by 32-inch Dropin tub. Finding the right soaking tub can be particularly challenging when remodeling a small bathroom. This drop-in tub from Fine Fixtures is a compact and attractive solution. Made from a fiberglass-reinforced acrylic, it's only 48.25 inches long, and its 19.125-inch depth is comparable to that of many full-size soaking bathtubs. This is a drop-in tub that can be installed with either a right or left drain. It also benefits from strong feet, meaning that unlike many alcove tubs, it doesn't need a mortar base. It has a glossy porcelain finish that Fine Fixtures claims will never crack. It is also safe for use with bath salts and oils. A 54.125-inch version is available for those with slightly larger bathrooms. So, which bathtub would you choose? Drop a comment below. Are you team deep soak or high-tech hydrotherapy? If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone who deserves a spa day at home, and subscribe for more life-upgrading reviews. All product links? You know the drill, description. Now go relax, you've earned it.